A second major development that has occurred in writing instruction has been the use of software that allows students to collaborate. In the past, students were seen as individuals in front of their piece of paper or their computer, having to generate text on their own. Collaboration software, in contrast, allows students to work together so that they can integrate ideas. The idea is 2 heads might be better than 1, or maybe even 3 would be better than 2, so that students can benefit from speaking about what they're writing, getting the ideas of others, and putting all of that together. Such collaboration software is used a lot in business, and so the process of collaborative writing also prepares students for work in the real world. In our example essay of A Person I Admire, a collaboration between 2 writers might have resulted in a suggestion to change the title. Don't use the same title that's in the prompt. Make the title specific and give the title more of a position that the essay could then help to develop. So the suggestion, which I've indicated here as using myself as the collaborator, is to replace A Person I Admire with the greatest U.S. president. If students are working together on a text like this, they can have a conversation through these comments to write and discuss and revise using the ideas of both. Let's take a look at some of the important differences that collaboration software has made in writing pedagogy. If we think of writing alone, the focus is on the individual's writing ability. How well can this person write on his or her own? Whereas writing collaboratively, the focus is on writing in a social context. And this, as I mentioned, is something that a lot of students will be doing in the future, and so is possibly a good thing to begin doing in the classroom. If we consider writing alone, writing is prompted by reading and by thinking. These are the 2 kind of inputs and processes involved in writing. Whereas when writing is done collaboratively, writing can still be prompted by reading and thinking, but talking also plays an important role. And talking is another way that allows students to consider what they're writing and practice what they have to say and try things out, which is really important for language learning as well as for producing good writing products. Third, if we're thinking of writing alone, feedback comes from teachers and from the computer. The students are on their own. Whereas in a collaborative writing situation, feedback comes from peers as part of the collaboration process. Feedback still can be obtained from teachers and computers, but the collaborative process naturally brings about a lot of feedback during the process of conceptualizing and drafting as well as revision.